What is graphic facilitation? Graphic facilitation to me is basically improving life, all aspects of it, with visuals. It's been around in design industries such as engineering for years, it's been in business for years, it's been used in meetings, for workshops, to strategize, to plan out. It helps people to visualize and to create ideas, it inspires people. It basically uses diagrams, mind maps, pictures, all towards a goal. And a lot often it's hand-drawn by someone called a graphic facilitator. So I am a graphic facilitator as well as an English language teacher, trainer, coach, author. Graphic facilitation is not art. So for example, you can use it simply to make your flip charts more exciting by making them look like a little bit of paper. You can use it to generate ideas. So here, if you're doing an ideas generation session in class, you can get students to come up and stick their post-it notes on. It's a very simple way of drawing a light bulb. It uses a circle, a U shape, a Z, and an M. It's not art, it's communication, and it's using visual communication and visual vocabulary to get your point across and to be understood and to communicate more effectively. So some icons that you might be interested in knowing about from a language teaching perspective. Reading. Speaking. You can have the words there. Listening, looks a bit like a question mark. And writing. Graphic facilitation uses a lot of visual templates. So visual templates would be, for example, a roadmap. And you can use the roadmaps in lots of different ways. You can use it to reflect on past learning. You can use it to plan future learning or plan anything really, strategize in business, for example. You can use it to tell a story. You can use it to think about career paths. You can think about, you can use it and adapt it and reuse it in many different ways. That's the beauty of graphic facilitation, because you can use it. It's got zero prep because you've got your visual templates and your visual vocabulary in your head, so you can go into class, support your learners with additional drawings, but also inspire them with different templates such as this. There are lots of different ways you can do graphic facilitation. For example, you can use a visualizer, which is basically a document camera, and link it up to your computer. And it will show the document, and you may be able to see your hand here drawing. You can also take photos with your mobile phone and upload them to the computer, display them on the computer, and then students can use, for example, annotation tools in Zoom. You can use maybe a drawing laptop or a drawing tablet, and just like a little pen, a little digital pen. There are loads of benefits to graphic facilitation when it comes to language teaching. So first of all, it's fun. It's just something a bit different. There's something quite inspiring about it. It revives teaching mojos. I've been teaching for 20 years. I've had my fair share of ups and downs. Graphic facilitation really brought the spark back into my life and my teaching. It aids memory. There's lots of research to show that if you draw at the same time as writing a list of vocabulary, you're more likely to remember it. It is relaxing. It's really good if students have mental health problems. It's a good way to calm down. It's good for student well-being in general. It aids understanding. It helps them to understand lots of difficult concepts. It minimises prep time, which is brilliant. It's a great way of concept checking students are doing the students have understood. You could get them to draw a picture and get them to check that they have understood, or ask them what the picture is. It's a great way to get creative in the classroom. If you're quite a creative person and you want to get more creative, you can do that. No more searching for copyright, you just draw your own pictures. Goodbye copyright. Basically, I would say overall it is a superpower. So if you want to learn a superpower, you can get in touch with me at Emily Bryson ELT on most social media. My website is emilybrysonelt.com. I have lots of freebies on there, a book about graphic facilitation for English language teachers. I have lots of blog posts if you want to see more examples of visual templates. And I have online courses as well if you want to come and learn how to be a graphic facilitator, specifically for English language teachers and for the English language teaching industry.